Hey guys, my name is Chris and welcome to Savage TV, where we do content on the BMW and other cars. Now today we're going to be looking at my E92 and we're going to be giving it an engine wash. So you can check the description for all the items that will be required for this car wash. Now for future content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Thank you for your support, and we're going to go right into the video. Is my 87 Degreaser heavy duty cleaner. This is a professional grade, okay, and this is super good in terms of removing all of the dust and grimes from your engine bay, and this is just a good way in ensuring that the engine is nice and clean at the end. So what you want to do is just to spray a good portion of it over the engine bay, and you do this before you apply water to the engine bay, just to ensure that all of the grease and grimes is lifted up before you apply water to get rid of those excessive grease and grime. So what I try to do is ensure that it's full lavendered over the areas of the engine, and I try to ensure that it gets to every area of the engine.
What you gonna do? 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 What you gonna What you gonna do?
Alright guys, so once you're finished, you just want to use a microfiber towel just to dry down the engine, and try as best as possible to get it dry.
Late to the stage they come, papers to blaze the punk, police on the beats we run, high rise on an equal chump, I'm above you below us all, no love in the doja fools,
Alright guys, so now that the car is finally dry, you just want to inspect it just to ensure that there's no water lingering anywhere around. As you see that the engine bay is nice and dry, and you just want to double check and just look on any areas that water may settle. Just ensure that you move it. So now that we get that process out of the way, I'm going to show you how to get the engine bay nice and shiny. For this process, we're going to be using our original ArmorAll Protectant here, because we have a lot of rubber areas and plastic areas inside of the engine bay. We're going to use this one with a mixture of it and a double D40, which I will be using later on, just to get it nice and shiny. So what you want to do is just to spray it lightly over the areas, right? Or what you can also do is use a microfiber towel just to avoid any overspray. Seem to be having some now, so just want to use that and just lightly coat the microfiber towel with it, right? And this is just to avoid overspray. And know that you have done that, you're just going to use it now just to wipe the areas of the plastic areas especially. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy that. Just remember to subscribe to the channel and just hit that notification bell for future content. I'm out for today.